Cypelec Multiline is a program for generating the multi-line diagram of the electrical installation. To get started, we can link the file to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by Open BIM technology. If the project includes information from low-voltage distribution system programs such as Cypelec Core, Cypelec REBT, or Cypelec NF, the information from the single line diagram and the connection information between phases for each line, whether single phase or three-phase, is imported. To do this, we must have selected the Bi-Phases configuration option and designed the installation in this mode before proceeding with the export to BIMserver.center. This automatically generates the multi-line diagram, which distributes the information in the drawings according to the sub-switchboard entered in the installation. We can also edit the generated multi-line diagram or manually enter the elements and the layout of the connection lines that make up the installation from scratch. To do this, on the left-hand side, we edit or enter the desired drawings, their format, orientation, and scale factor. Then, we can choose the symbols used in the drawing options from a series of representations taken from different codes. Next, we draw the lines and enter the elements that make up the multi-line diagram, including the buses, the grounding, the power supply, the protection switchgear, the terminal elements, and the measure and control elements. We complete the diagram by displaying the tags or by entering notes. The program's results output contains the different drawings that make up the multi-line diagram. These documents can be printed directly or exported in different formats. In each of the diagrams, both the electrical connections as well as the terminal elements and their corresponding switchgear are included. This representation is highly useful when it comes to transferring the preliminary design to the execution phase of the connections. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.